Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to explain about few examples, okay, Python programs. This is your first Python program, right? So listen carefully, okay. So first, what program I am going to write here means to perform arithmetic operators. So what are the operators you learned today? The arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? Using that operator, I am going to write one Python program, okay. So first, print enter two values. Okay, print is the function used to print the statements or print the output, right? Whatever writing inside the print statement, it will be displayed in the output screen. For example, this is the output screen. Okay, once this line executed, it will display enter two values. Enter two values. Whatever you are giving inside the double quotes, anything inside the double quotes is called as strings. So whatever inside in the double quotes, the same thing will be printed in the output string. No changes will be happen. Whatever present in the double quotes in the print function, the same thing will be displayed in the output here. Okay, if you are not using this line means you don't know what's happening in the background process. Yes, the next line is, what is the next line? Input. Okay, so for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, how many inputs required first? I need at least two inputs, two numbers I required, right? How many variables required? For storing the sum value, addition value, I need one variable. For storing the subtraction, I need one variable. For storing the multiplication, I need one variable. For storing the division, I need one variable, right? So 6 variables. For storing the two values, 2 variables. For storing the answer, I need 4 variables. Okay, so how many inputs required? Only 2 numbers is input. So how you get the input from Python? Input function is input of. Only one function is there in Python to get the input, that is input of. Only one function is there to print the output, to display the output, that is print. Okay, so whatever input you are getting inside the input function, it will consider as a string. I want to convert into the integers or float, depend upon the user wish. So here x value, x is equal to C input of. Okay, so for example here I am giving one value 5. So what would happen? It is also considered as a string. Inside the double quotes it will display. So I want the integer value. Actually what you get here? String. So I want to convert it. That's the reason I am putting here int input of. The input function always get the string input. Then the int is the type conversion. It will convert the string into normal integer 5. Similarly, y value. Y equal to int input of. Actually, input of function is used to get the input and int is used to convert the string into integer. If I didn't wrote these values, you don't know how many inputs you want to give. That's the reason I am using this statement enter two values. So you will give 5, 2. Otherwise, if you skip this line, what will happen? This enter two values should not be displayed in the output screen. As a new user, they can't able to find what they want to do. That's the reason I am printing a statement. Print enter two values. Then I got the 2 inputs. Now I got 2 inputs, right? Now we can perform your operations. So x plus y. What is x plus y? 5 is x, y is 2. So 5 plus 2. What's the answer? 7. The 7 will be stored in the variable sum. So actually here you are using assignment operator, right? For assignment operator, what's the associative? You have to perform right to left. So first you have to solve this. 5 plus 2, 7. The 7 will be assigned to the sum. Okay, here 5 plus 2. Then I want to find the subtraction. For subtraction I am using a variable diff. So here 5 minus 2. Okay, you will get the answer 3. 3 will be stored inside the diff. Similarly, product 5 into 2, 10. 10 will be stored in the product, PRO. Then quotient 5 divided by 2. Okay, so you will get one answer, right? So now inside the sum, difference, product, quotient, the answers will be stored. Now I want to print the answers. To how you can print? So print, directly you can put sum, print, difference, like that directly you can put. It's correct. But what will happen? Only the answer will be displayed. Why? Inside the sum, 7 will be stored. Inside the difference, 3 will be stored. Only you get the answer here, 7 and 3. But the user can't get the clear idea. For avoiding that only, we are printing here sum equal to, see, these things are string, double quotes. So whatever present in the double quotes, displayed as same as in your output. So sum equal to 7, then diff equal to 3, then multiplication equal to 10. Like that you will get the output. Okay, sorry, difference, then product. Okay, difference, then product, whatever you are given here, that will be, whatever you are given in the print statement, that will be displayed in the output. Okay, if I give sum, it will give sum. If I give difference, here also it will display difference. Then here the answer will be printed. See, after comma, the particular variable. So here 7, here 3, here 10, like that you will get the output. All of you got it? First, I am getting two inputs, x value and y value. Then I am performing the operation, performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The answer will be stored in the left side variable. So now I want to print the variables. So I am printing sum, difference, product, quotient. While printing, I am giving the string for understanding. If you directly print like this, means also you will get the answer. It also correct only. Okay, all of you got it? Now we can see the second example. So only two functions you have to know. For getting the input, input function. For printing the output, print function. So always the input function take the string input. It want to be converted depend upon the user, like integer, floating point, like that. Okay. So int means int of. That also you have to keep in your mind. Int of. So the input should be converted into int. So here find the area of circle and triangle. What's the area of circle formula? Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, then what's the area of triangle? Area of triangle is of base into h. Okay, of base into height. So what's the default value of pi? The default value of pi is 3.14. So I am initializing first. As it is the standard value, I am initializing the pi value. Pi equal to 3.14. Then how many inputs required? For finding the radius of circle, I need one input, that is r. For solving that area of triangle, I need two variables, base and height. Totally how many variables required? 3 variables. 3 inputs required. One is r and another one is birth and h. These are the 3 inputs required. Variables means 5 variables totally. For r is one variable, b is one variable, h. Then for storing this 2 answer. All of you got it. So first print, enter the radius value. So how the output will be displayed? Enter radius value. First in the output screen it will be displayed. Enter radius value. What's the next? I want to know the r value. Without r value, I can't able to substitute pi r square. So I want to get the r value as input. So I am getting r equal to int input of. R value equal to int input of. Okay. So here you are getting on r value, for example 2. Then print, enter the base value. What is that base value? For calculating the triangle, I need base as well as height. Okay. So enter the base value. So for example, you will get, I am giving 5. Then again, what's the next input? Enter the height value. So it will display, enter the height value. Whatever present in the printf statement inside double quotes, it will be displayed as same. And these three are the input functions, or B, H. The particular input will be stored inside the variable. Here also what value you are giving, it will be stored inside the variable. For example 2. Now I am calculating the area of the circle. So pi, what is pi? 3.14 into 2 square. What's the radius value? 2. So here 3.14 into 2 into 2. So you will get the answer like 2.8 something. You get the answer 2.8 something. Okay. You get the answer. Okay, you calculate the answer. You get the answer around 28.26 something. Okay. The answer will be stored in the area 1. Similarly, for area 2, here I am calculate the area of the triangle of what's the base? 5. What's the height? 2. So here of base into h. So base is here 5 and height is here 2. So that also calculated and the answer will be stored in the area. Now I want to display the answer. For displaying the answer, which function I want to use? I want to use print function. Directly you can print area 1 and area 2. It's correct. But we can't get the clear idea once you saw the output. For that the reason I am printing area of circle is the string. So it will display like this. Area of circle equal to, then after the comma, what is area 1? One answer is there, right? That answer will be displayed here. As well as area of triangle will be printed. The answer will be present in area 2. That will be displayed in your output. Okay. So what are the main important things? Input function is used to get the input. Always the input function takes string as input. You have to convert the integer or float. Then print function is used to print the output. If you want to print the variable, don't put in the double quotes. If you want to print the string, put in the double quotes. Okay. I hope you understand these, students. Thank you.